Hi everybody, it's Bucky and welcome to your very first Java tutorial. Now in this tutorial, before we begin writing any programs, we first need to download something called the JDK. And for all you new Java developers out there, this is the program that lets you actually write Java and actually compile it. And compile just means transferring it from code you can understand, the code the computer can understand. So just follow me, and by the end you'll be able to write Java code. So the first thing I need you to do is go ahead and open up your internet browser right here. And once you have that open, I'm going to use Firefox. Go ahead and go to the website java.sun.com, and this is going to give you Java's main page. What you want to look for is the download link, and this is going to give you a bunch of different Java editions to download. You're going to want to go to the Java SE link, and this stands for Java Standard Edition. So go ahead and click that. And what we're looking for is something called the JDK, and this stands for Java Development Kit. So we can write and compile Java programs. Now we just want the top one, which is a standard one. This EE stands for Enterprise Edition. This NetBeans is something else. We don't want that. So just go ahead and find the standard basic edition and click download. And once you click that, it's probably going to bring you to a new page. Let's see. And yep. And it's going to say Windows, which we want, English, which we want. Go ahead and agree and press continue. I already have this downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again. That would just be stupid. But once you download it, it's gonna give you an executable file. Now, your executable file is gonna look something like one of these. This is something else I downloaded, but it's gonna give you a file like this called exe. Once you get that file, go ahead and double click this, and that's going to start the wizard to download the JDK. Now it also might give you a file on your desktop right here, like put it somewhere right here. If it's right there, then just double click that, and once you do, a wizard's going to pop up, and you're probably going to have to click like next 40 times and press I agree to some stuff, next. But once that's all done, then you're going to have the Java compiler downloaded. Now let me show you guys what the Java compiler is. If you go to your start menu, then press CMD and press enter, your command prompt is going to come up. Now what this allows you to do is have access to your Java compiler, and again, like I said before, the Java compiler allows you to transfer code that you can understand to code the computer can understand, and that's what we just downloaded. So let's test it out. Java C. Press enter. Nothing's working. And nothing's working because the Java compiler, it has it downloaded, but whenever you try to use it, it doesn't know where it is. So let me show you guys how to do that. And again, pay very close attention to this. Hopefully you downloaded it with all the default settings. If you didn't, then well, you're still going to be able to see what's going on. But go ahead and in your start menu, click on computer. Now go ahead and click the local disk, or whatever your main hard drive is. Then go ahead and click program files. Now you should have a folder called Java. Go ahead and click that. Now go ahead and click the version JDK. If you don't see this, it means you didn't download it right. So go ahead and click that, JDK. The next thing and last thing I want you guys to do is click on the thing that says bin right here. And remember, you follow all these instructions very carefully. Next, right click on any of these things right here. Just click on your topmost one. Remember, right click it and click properties. Now this is where you're gonna tell Java to look for your compiler. So it says location. Go ahead and copy all of location, right click it and copy it. It should say something like C, program files, Java, your version, and say bin, the last thing. Make sure you get that bin. That's very important. If you're not, if you don't see it, then do this tutorial again and do exactly as it say. Anyways, you want to see that bin. So once you have this golden code, that's what we're looking for. Go ahead and X out of that. Now that's where the compiler is. So how do we tell your computer to look there? Well, go ahead to click My Computer again from your start menu.